Hey guys, just in case you don't understand what's happening on DeltaMath, because I feel like translations and transformations of any kind, it's just a matter of practicing. So that's why there's a little more again than there used to be. So just 5 of each. So first you're going to do your identify the translation guided, and that means you're going to decide. It says from figure M onto figure N. So then the blue one onto the green one should be your thought process first. And a translation from blue to green means it moved to the left, and I would pick a point. So in this case, if I'm tracking this point to that point, it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this should be an 8. And then it went down. And from there, it went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Sorry, I'm tracking it here. Or if you want to count down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because that's where it is. So it went down 5 and to the left 8. And you can do this out of order, whichever way you want to. It might make more sense to count down 5 and over 8 as you used to count slope back in Math 1. So we try it. Oh, I didn't do something right. Press try. There we go. And it worked because it moved for us. So submit answer. So if you do the wrong thing, you're not going to be able to get this right. So if you pick the wrong answer, it's the wrong direction, it's not going to let you submit. So you just need to do 5 of these correctly. So again, just a quick, so it goes from R to S. So we're going from blue to green again, and pick whichever point you want to track. So blue to green, it went to the left. And it went to the left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's tracking the points that match. So it went to the left 6 and down 5. Hopefully we're right. If we try it, it's going to move to the left 6, down 5, and they matched up. So now I can submit from here and go right along to the next thing. So then your next section of 5 is translate figure by vector. So this is the one I think is going to give you some trouble for a second, but once you figure it out, it's not hard at all. It's just a matter of figuring out what Delta wants you to do. So I'm going to draw a vector, which is just an arrow from the origin, 1 unit to the left and 2 units up. So I'm going to start at yellow. So I'm going to go 1 unit to the left and 2 units up. So I have a vector. So that's that arrow there. So once I have that, move the tail, which is the dot of the vector, to each of the coordinate points. Oh, sorry. Oops, not gonna let me do it right now. So there's 1. My stylus is not loving me right at the moment. 2, 3, and it showed the vector moved. And when you did it correctly, it's going to let you submit. Again, this is not one that you can get wrong. It will not let you submit it until you get it right. So again, your vector is just drawing that line from the origin. So in this case, draw from the origin, where's the yellow dot, 2 to the left and 5 down. So 2 to the left, 5 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to take that vector and move it to its points. So again, looks like maybe if I pause on the dot and then move it, it likes it a little bit better. Oops, not so much. Finger looks better. It doesn't. Let me try the cursor. I'm not really sure what I'm doing wrong here. Why it won't move. But you very well could be doing it right and having the same issues I'm having. There we go. It's moving now. And it's just showing that translated, it moved. So the vector is just the count of the to the left and the down for each one. So it's just a better understanding, again, of notations and the way it looks when it moves. Last but not least, you're going to translate the figure graphically. So you're going to take each one of these dots. You're going to 1 to the right, 4 up. So 1 to the right, 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 1. I'm going to take this one, 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do need to do them in consecutive order. So as you choose to go along, you don't want to start here and then go here because it'll connect the dots. So in this case, it was 1 to the right and 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one is 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then one more, 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it should look exactly like the figure below. This is not one that will stop you if it's wrong. So double check your dots. So if this is not a guided, this is you have to do it right. So again, if we go to another problem, your last one. So 4 to the right, 4 down. I'm going to pick whichever dots you want to do first. 4 to the right, 4 down, 4 to the right, 4 down. Again, you want to make sure you're going in order. So 4 to the right, 2, 3, 4, 4 down, and then 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And if you figure out that you made a mistake, it says you can click a plotted point to delete it. So in the event you happen to realize you pushed the wrong place, you should be able to click it and make it go away and start over. So hopefully that'll make your DeltaMath a little easier. It's 5 of each, and it's just translation. So just slides to the right, down, left, or up. So just slides is all you're working on today. All right, good luck, guys.